Hey guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show to make flag animation easy and fast with After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, after finish video, I will share all project files for download. First one, select this flag image. Let's move the inside our composition. And right now, select this image and right mouse, precoms, and click the checkbox. And add name flag. Click OK. Nice. Back to main composition and go to effects presets, search effect wave warp. And select this wave warp, let's use for this composition. Okay, and change wave height 7. Okay, and wave width 189. Let's see. Okay, nice. And go to pinning, let's select here left edge. Okay, nice. So let's press S, change scale, and move to here. Let's go to shape layers, hold this icon, select this rectangle tool, and let's make like this shape layer. Click selection tool, and move to here. Then go to shape layers, and select this ellipse tool, hold shift, make one ellipse, and click selection tool. Let's select this ellipse tool, move to here. Let's change quality full. Okay, and let's select this shape layer 1, Control D. Okay, move to here, go to fill color, let's select dark like this for shadow, and press S, click this icon, change scale. Okay, let's move to here. Okay, let's move to up. Okay, very good. So, select this flag and let's move to here and move the inside like this. Let's see. Okay, not bad. And in this time, let's go to effects presets, search effect cartoon. And select this cartoon effect, let's use for this flag composition. Okay, now we can see here strokes. Let's change softness 0 and change width 3. Okay, not bad. And for better quality, we can play these settings. Okay, not bad. So let's create background layer, right mouse, new and solid layer, add name background, click OK. Move to behind, go to effects presets, search effect fill, select this fill, let's use for this background, and let's select color for flag animation like this. Okay, black is good. Okay, nice, not bad. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.